Minister for SSI, Handlooms, Textiles and Public Enterprise, etc. Honorable Sri P. Uday Kumar Garu, Director, P&F, NGIC. Sri Mohan Suresh Garu, President, FISHME. Sri J.C. Sharma Garu, Principal Secretary, MSME and Food Processing. And Sri P. Ravikumar Garu, Regional Zonal Manager, Bangalore, and also Mr. Satish, the Chairman of this Exhibition Committee, and other distinguished entrepreneurs. It is my proud privilege to come and address this today's artist gathering. This defense exhibition is mainly intended and creates a linkage between the SME sector and also to the defense departments, etc. Sir, this Indian MSME consists of about 2.8 million units are there of the SME units, out of which the value addition through these MSMEs in India is 30 to 40%. Similarly, this MSME sector contributes about 50 to 60% of the manufacturing sector of the total industry in India. In difference, in the defense department, there are about 6,000 MSME units are there, which are supplying to the defense components. But out of which the components in India which supply to the defense department in MSME sector is very small in quantity, about say 150 to 200 only. There is a big necessity of improving and developing the MSME sector, especially for the sake of the defense components. This one. For this reason, the department or the government of the India, the department has to make some arrangements for the technological this one, because MSME sector could not able to provide a full-fledged R&D department. That's why this R&D requires a quite expensive program. Thereby, on behalf of the industrial entrepreneurs of the MSME, I request the Honorable Minister that a technological innovation, technology shall be provided for the defense component to the SSI units in Andhra Pradesh. That is number one. Similarly, the testing facilities. The defense department requires a quite variable number of the tests has to be done. That too, a special test has been required. This test will not be taken ordinary laboratories. So, a special common testing laboratory exclusively for the defense components has to be provided in Hyderabad, since Hyderabad is a hub of this one. Apart from this one, there are the defense components. The volume of the quantity of the supplies is very less, but at the same time, the investment will be much more. So, suppose for example, a raw material is there. It costs about 10 lakhs of rupees, but the job work charges is only 10,000 rupees. So, the entrepreneur will get only 10,000 rupees toward the job work charge only. But in spite of it, he has to invest 10 lakhs for the sake of the raw material. So, that will be a heavy burden on this one. So, some type of arrangements for funding of the MSME units, or the supply of the raw material, or some funding for the raw material shall be provided to the MSME sector. These are the few of the issues are there, which I would like to represent to the Honorable Minister about the MSME sector, in particular along with the defense components is there. Now, the PAPSIA, Federation of Andhra Pradesh Small Industries Association, has got a detailed memorandum. Now, I request the PAPSIA Secretary, Mr. Nageswar Rao, and also Dr. V.L.N. Reddy to submit a memorandum about the problems of the MSME sector to the Honorable Minister, Sri M. Pallam Raju. Another important point I would like to emphasize to the Honorable Minister is, sir, as I told you, the quantum of business is very less. What we get the amount from the supplies of the defense production is major, but the raw material component is much more. So the investor of an SSI unit has to invest heavily and usually also. In view of this one, and the second one is the peculiarity of the technology. The technology changes from time to time and place to place and year by every year. So he has to develop a technology and also the components and also the dies and models, etc. Since it is a laborious and a new type of item, I request the Honorable Minister that all the defense supplier shall be treated as a deemed exporters. That means they shall be unless they shall be treated as a deemed exporters, and the facilities, incentives, whatever may be the possible for the exporter is enjoying, the same facilities shall be created to the MSME sector industrial units of the India. That is my request also, sir. I request you to answer all the